KaseX is a cutting-edge, symbol-based trading study with a simple display that helps traders fine-tune entries and exits and manage trade risk. Making trade decisions with KaseX is easy. KaseX utilizes the powerful and revolutionary K-Statware algorithms and distills signals down into color-coded symbols. This approach allows traders to focus their efforts on trade decisions rather than indicator interpretation. Color-coded triangles and diamonds show warning and potential entry points. Yellow triangles serve as a warning that a move may continue in the direction that the symbol is pointing. Entry signals are automatically filtered by a longer time frame. Filtered signals are generally stronger than unfiltered signals. Unfiltered long signals are shown with light blue triangles. Filtered long signals are shown with green diamonds. Unfiltered short signals are shown with pink triangles, and filtered short signals are shown with purple diamonds. The color-coded arrows show potential points where an exit or profit may be taken. There are three types of arrows. Colored arrows are strong momentum signals that indicate 80 to 100% of profit should be taken. Green arrows are bullish and purple arrows are bearish. Dark gray arrows indicate a moderate turn threat. Some profit may be taken, usually 50 to 80%. At minimum, it is recommended that stops be pulled into the first level. Light gray arrows are weak turn threats. These are signals that indicate a turn may take place, but other factors dampen the likelihood that the turn will be significant or take place at all. Usually when these arrows plot on the chart, it is recommended that stops be pulled into the first level. In some instances, you may see a combination of entry and exit signals. These are called pierced darts and are a strong indication that a stop and reverse, or an exit of a long trade and entry of a short, or vice versa, should take place. By default, stops are shown on the last 10 bars. Once a trade is established, a stop may be placed at the second level. The first stop level is used when less risk is warranted. For instance, a cautious trader might use the first stop level when the trade was triggered by an unfiltered entry signal. In addition, a trader may want to use the first stop level when a yellow triangle appears in the opposite direction of their trade, or when an exit or warning signal takes place. The algorithms behind KaseX's signals are self-optimizing and self-adjusting. This means that traders do not have to spend time optimizing indicator settings and look-back lengths. Settings do not generally have to be changed at all. However, for those that wish to fine-tune the settings in various market conditions, KaseX has pre-configured sensitivity levels for quick and painless adjustments. KaseX also has tools to help gauge and assess how well any chart is trending and how much risk is being taken for each and every trade. KaseX's color-coded symbols make timing entries and exits simple. In this example, a yellow bullish warning signal is followed by a green diamond. At that point, a long trade would have been taken and a stop would have been placed at level 2. When the weak warning signal forms, the stop is tightened to level 1. A few bars later, a strong exit signal forms and 80% of the long trade's profit is taken. A yellow bearish warning signal forms, and then a few bars later, at the same time that the level 1 stop is hit, a purple diamond tells us a short trade may be taken. Therefore, at that point, the remaining 20% of the long trade is exited and a short trade is entered. This chart shows an example of a bearish pierced dart, which would have triggered a short trade. A stop was placed at level 2 and the trade was held until a bullish pierced dart formed. At that point, the short trade was exited and the long trade was taken with a stop at level 2. To recap, KaseX is a symbol-based trading study with a simple display that helps traders fine-tune entries and exits and manage trade risk. The KaseX algorithm automatically optimizes, eliminating the need to change settings. Color-coded triangles and diamonds show entry points that reflect the strength of trend. The color-coded arrows show strong, moderate, and weak turn threats or exit signals. And the smart stops are statistically significant levels that show how much risk is taken at any given time. KaseX works with all active stocks, commodities, futures, indices, fixed income, and FOREX charts. Just about anything that you can plot on a chart will work with KaseX.